is very far. That's a good glider. It's a good stunt and good glider. To show you guys where the plane is. It's far away. Wow! Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to make an awesome paper airplane. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. The first step is to fold the paper in half like this. Then crease the paper down. Next, let's open the paper. Flatten it down. Start from this upper edge, fold it toward the other side. When you fold the paper, curve the paper slowly. Place this nicely. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Adjust the paper and crease it down. Crease it slowly. Then open the paper. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Start from this corner, fold it to the other side, and crease down the paper. And then open the paper. Turn the paper over. Start from the upper edge. Fold it straight along the center crease. Use the intersection as a reference. Fold the paper down, adjust the paper a little bit, and then crease it down. Now it looks really good. Let's open the paper. Then flip it over. You can see this part of the paper pop up. Let me turn the paper this way so you can see. It's pop up. So fold that crease into the center crease. Now press the upper part of the paper down. Adjust the paper a little bit before you crease it. Once it matches, crease the paper down, especially the center crease. It looks really good at this point. Turn this layer toward the other side and crease the paper down. You can see here there's a pocket. I will insert the end of the paper into that pocket. But before I do that step, I will crease the paper first. Fold it up and leave a small gap. The gap here is about half an inch, or even an inch should work. Adjust the paper and next repeat the same fold for the other side. Start from this side of the paper. Fold this corner into that pocket. You can curve it a little bit. Adjust the paper a little bit until it hits into the corner and press the paper down slowly. Crease the paper down. Crease it down slowly. Now it looks really good. Turn this layer toward the other side. Crease the center crease. Next step, let me show you. Start from this side, this layer, fold it to the center crease, and crease it down. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Fold the side into the center crease, and crease it down. Slowly. Fold it to the center crease and crease the paper down. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Fold slowly. Adjust the paper. Try to push it a little bit further and now crease it. Next step, let's fold this side of the paper out to create a wing of the plane. Fold a little bit, not too much. You can imagine that there is the center crease, a center gap between the top and the bottom. First, upper the bottom a little bit. So, creases up there. Match the edge, align with the corner. You see the corner? So match it. First, out a little bit further. Use the edge on the bottom as a reference. You can see this line is matched with the below crease. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Look at this crease right here. Match it and press the paper down. Crease the paper down slowly. Adjust the paper. And now it's look really good. Next step, open this layer of the paper and stuck it below. Place the upper layer back. Same for this side. Place the paper below and adjust the bottom part of the paper. Next, now let's stuck the paper all together so it stays strong. Curve the paper, insert it. This is a very important step. If you do it carefully, the plan will stay very strong together. It will stay intact. If not, when you throw the plan, it will pop out. That's why you need to do it slowly and crease it hard. Once you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Adjust the paper and crease it down. Crease it down carefully. If it doesn't look right, fix it. This is good to fix it at this point rather than wait until the plan is finished, and this is very difficult to fix it. It's taking me a while to fix the paper, to adjust all the layers, but that will help my plan fly far and last long. And now I flip the paper over. I will fold this part of the paper up to create the stabilizers. I fold straight along with the wings. Once I finish one side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. On the following step, I will fold it back so that I can make the plants look nicer by folding it in half like this. When I fold the paper in half, I want to create a wing. So now, I can fold the wing by match this edge to the bottom edge. And I point it to you. I show you that the distance from the bottom up is about 1 inch. And just press down the paper. Once I finish this side, I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. And I can fold the paper back. The stabilizer, I fold it back for both sides of the paper. And I crease the paper down. Open the wings. Adjust it. First up a little bit. And here you go. This is the new awesome paper airplane. I hope that you guys enjoy making this plane along with me. And don't forget to create the elevators to help the plane fly far and fast. Without the stabilizers, without the elevators, the plane won't fly up. So make sure that you created it. And finally, thank you for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you again later. Bye bye.